Let's put the balloon in hot water and let's see what the outcome after 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
When the temperature is high, the volume is also high. Let's see what is the outcome of the balloon in cold water.
2,000 years later.
You can see when the temperature is low, the volume is also low.